get at least 10% of their capacity to day scholars. Louis Nyaundi, KTN.
Moving on, an autopsy has confirmed that Samuel Tompoi Kaitua, a Kenyan police officer killed while serving in a peacekeeping mission in Haiti, died from a single gunshot wound to the head.
Kaituai's body arrived at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport in Nairobi on Monday evening, where it was received by his family, Deputy Inspector General of Police Gilbert Masengeli, and a contingent of police officers.
His post-mortem examination was conducted on Tuesday morning at Chiromo Mortuary.
Catherine Imuraget reports.
A somber mood engulfed Chiromo Mortuary Tuesday morning as the family of the late Samuel Tompoi Kaituai anxiously awaited the results of the autopsy. After hours of examination, it was confirmed that Kaituai succumbed to a single gunshot wound to the head. However, attempts to get a statement from the grieving family were unsuccessful, as they requested more time to mourn their loved one. Kaituai's remains were repatriated to Kenya on Monday evening after a 2-week wait, bringing a sense of closure to his family, who had been waiting to formally identify him and make funeral arrangements.
Mi naambia ofisa eteni kama akati ninarudi lete akati nalete kijana Kenya nimuite mimi awane mtoto kama ni yangu. Mimi hataki kusika mwili ya mtu mwingine kuona ni yeye. Mimi naritika alafu naleta nyumbani alafu nalalisha yeye mzuri.
I want to urge the government of Kenya to hasten the process and when we will get the body because that is when our healing process will actually start.
Samuel Tompoi Kaituai was among the Kenyan police officers deployed to Haiti as part of an international peacekeeping mission. He was killed in action on February 23, 2025, marking a tragic end to his service.